CML is same like what we can say, similar like EVNG. So we can try here also, because here we can use 5 router, means 5 devices we can run in the free version. So now we have only 5, so we can try here, we can use here. So this is the IP, we can type this IP in the browser to get that one, and then after that here whatever the username we set up at the time of installation, we can do that one. So here I am inside. Now I can create new lab. We can give the name also here. I did not put the name here. If you want, we can put the old lab also name. Like here I done LACP lab. So like this we can edit also. But anyhow, I will add new lab, and here we need to take the router. So I am taking the similar topology. This is the router. So how many I need? I need 1 router here. Let me allow the other guy. And I will take 1 more router here, and I will take 3 router like this. 3 router we taken. So this is our topology. If you need, I can move little up here, and here 1, here 1, here 1. So we can modify if you need. If you want to modify the name, select here or refresh the browser. Okay, and we can select here. I can keep this here. If you want to power on, all the device also, we can power on. Click this lab, start lab. So it will power on all the devices same time. And meanwhile, if you want to change the name of the device, select this device and change the name. Example, I will give this one as a R1. And here I can give this one as a R2. R2 I can give here, and this one I can give as a R3. We can give anything, whatever we need. I am giving this sequence. Just we need to verify. So for that purpose we are doing the lab here. This is the R4, and here this one is the R5. And I will connect here. Right click and add a link. Go here, add a link. R1 Ethernet 0/0 is going to add to R2 Ethernet 0/0. Okay. Then again add a link. Go here, add a link. Here again add a link. Go here, add a link. Here again add a link, and add a link here. That's all. We added the link. Now IP schema, whatever we are going to use, we can put here. First of all, I will put here. I will use here interface loopback 0, int loopback 0. Here I will take 8.8.8.8/8. Okay, if you want to make bold, you can select this and make this bold. Okay, and then what else? If you want to change this, we can change also the style here. But anyhow, I will keep the same thing. And here we can do same thing here also. 8.8.8.8/16, and here I will do the same thing. 8.8.8.8/24, and here we can put whatever we need, whatever IP you need, you can put. Just we need to test that one. So I am putting here anything we can use, like I can use this one /24, anything we can use, but I am putting this one. I can keep this. If you want to move this IP, click here and move this here, and then in between we can give here in between 192.168. Here 2 and 3, so 23.0/24 I am using. This IP will be between this interface. This will be between this here to here. So what else we need? We need one more here. So I will add here. Just click this A icon, click here. And here 192.168. we can give here 24.0/24, and here I need last one. I can do here 192.168.25.0/24. we can put any IP. I am putting this one as whatever we have in our notes. I am using that similar one. You can try with another IP also, because here concept we need to understand. That's why I am focusing more on concept here. So here this is the one. Now we need to do the configuration. So let me do the configuration here. I will use the notepad here. In this one we can configure. I will say this one is lab to check longest route. Okay, we need to do R1 configuration here. R1 configuration, then enable config T host name R1, and I am here in the R1 E0/0. I can put IP address 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.0, and we will write no shut. I have only one interface. I need to do the RIP. So router RIP version 2 no auto summary. You can use anything. We can use OSPF also, but now we did not done the OSPF. That's why I'm using this one. And the network ID. This one already we know. We learned this one before, how to configure the RIP. We need to write router RIP, then version 2, then write no auto summary, then network and network command, whatever we have. So this R1 configuration is finished. This is only the R1 configuration. We can copy and paste this one. I can copy this whole thing. I can take the CLI of the router, this one. I can open the CLI. I can paste the configuration here. So this is a CLI of the R1. I can paste the configuration here. Right click, paste here. And you can see here we pasted here. So now we need to take the CLI of the second router also. So I will take the console of second router, and here also I need to do the configuration. So let me do here R2 configuration. This is R2 configuration. Enable config T host name R2. Interface E0/0, and we have IP address whatever we are using, this 192.168.12.2, give space 255.255.0 and write no shut here. Then we have another interface E0/1, this one I am saying, and here we can use IP address